नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया न्यूज़ और मैं हूं मनीषा श्रीवास आपके साथ। 14 दिसंबर 2024 को दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल मिहान में मनाया गया वार्षिकोत्सव। इस कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में संभागीय आयुक्त नागपुर विजय लक्ष्मी बिदारी भी उपस्थित रही। साथ ही क्रिकेटर और विश्व कप विजेता कप्तान गुरदास राउत भी मुख्य रूप से उपस्थित रहे। तो आइए देखते हैं हमारे रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया न्यूज़ की यह खास रिपोर्ट।
Full complex for focusing on physical fitness along with cognitive development.
This project encourages students to explore the world of bird watching and culture. Present a painting made by an ingenious artist of the school. Good evening, Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. Bhimrai Maitri and Mr. Gurdas Rao, our Pro Vice Chairperson and President of DPS Mihan and Kamchi Road, Ms. Tulika Keria, who is joining us virtually, our Director, Ms. Savita Jaiswal, respected dignitaries, distinguished members of the media, and our ever supportive parents. A very warm welcome to each one of you on this special occasion of the annual function of Delhi Public School, Mihan. It fills me with immense joy to have you all here today as we come together to celebrate the talent, achievements, and growth of our students. This evening is particularly significant as it showcases not only academic accomplishments but also the holistic development of our young learners. The theme for this year's function, Game Changer, a leap towards transformation, is both inspiring and thought-provoking. It underscores the transformative power of sports in shaping young minds and building resilient characters. Sports are far more than a means to physical fitness. They are a gateway to some of life's most valuable lessons. Every sprint, every pass, every goal teaches teamwork, discipline, resilience, and the importance of perseverance. These qualities extend well beyond the field. preparing our children to face life's challenges with determination and grace. In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, where digital distractions often dominate our lives, sports provide an essential avenue to reconnect with ourselves, foster teamwork, and build a sense of community. At Delhi Public School Mihan, under the visionary leadership of our Pro Vice Chairperson and President, Ms. Tulika Kedia, we are steadfast in our belief that education is incomplete without a strong emphasis on physical activity and sports. Our vibrant sports culture stands as a testament to this belief. From spirited inter-house competitions to national level tournaments, we ensure our students aim for excellence while embodying the true spirit of sportsmanship. This evening, as we bring this theme to life, you will witness our talented students performing with enthusiasm, creativity, and passion. Their efforts reflect the harmonious blend of academic and extracurricular activities that we champion at DPS Mihan. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guests of honor for gracing this occasion with their esteemed presence. Your support and encouragement are invaluable to us. I also want to express my sincere thanks to Tulika ma'am for joining us virtually and to Jaiswal ma'am for being with us in person. My heartfelt gratitude to our bursar, Mr. Indrajit Pargania, to be here and to be as supportive as he always have been in this whole journey of DPS Mihan. A special thanks to you goes to our dedicated teachers whose tireless efforts help shape our students into well-rounded individuals, and to our parents whose unwavering support is the backbone of our community. Together, let us strive to build a future where sports and academic walk hand in hand, creating confident, balanced, and capable individuals who are ready to take on the world. Thank you all for joining us this celebration. It's my pleasure to now invite our director, Mrs. Savita Jaiswal, to address the gathering. Ma'am.
Thank you, Nidhi. Good evening, everyone. I'm elated to welcome you all to this memorable evening where we are all celebrating our students' immense talent and creativity. I feel privileged to be standing here to read out the message sent by our President and Pro Vice Chairperson, DPS Mihan and Kanti Road, Nagpur, Ms. Tulika Kedia. She was to come to be with us here, but for some unavoidable reasons, she could not make it. I read her message. Good evening. On behalf of Team DPS Mihan, I welcome our esteemed guests and parents to a josh-filled evening. We are pleased to have as our chief guest, Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Bidari, the dynamic and erudite Divisional Commissioner of Nagpur. She is a UPSC topper, a Fulbright scholar, and a much felicitated officer who is well known for spearheading infrastructure and social development. She will be joining us shortly. Our guest of honor, Dr. Bhimrai Maitri, Director IIM Nagpur, is a distinguished academician and a renowned teacher who continues to guide and mentor us towards augmenting the education bar. We are also fortunate to have with us Mr. Gurudas Raut, who has surmounted all odds to follow his passion on the cricket field. He is an awe-inspiring youth icon to us all.
भारत माता की भारत माता की इधर से आवाज नहीं आ रहा भारत भारत माता की। थैंक यू सो मच डीपीएस मिहान फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। और जिस प्रकार से अभी मौसम चल रहा है तो सभी को ठंडी लग रही, लेकिन मेरे जो कुछ वैल्यूबल वर्ड्स है मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे शेयर करूँगा। जब मैं छोटा था तब मेरी मम्मी को बहुत यानी तकलीफ होती थी, दर्द होता था, और वो सोचती थी कि मेरा बेटा जब बड़ा होगा तो क्या करे। लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो सारी चीज़ें होती गई और मैं अपने सिचुएशन को ढालते गया, तो आने वाले समय में मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलूँगा। और जिस प्रकार से मेरे माता पिता ने मेरी परवरिश की, मेरे गुरुजनों ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया, उसको मैं फॉलो करता गया। बहुत से लोग मुझे पहले चिढ़ाते थे कि इसे एक हाथ नहीं, और आप सभी लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि आज जो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है कि इसे हमारे को अलग प्रकार के देखने को मिल रहे हैं। जी हाँ, मैं कभी अपने आप को ऐसा कभी महसूस नहीं करता हूँ कि मुझे एक हाथ नहीं, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा अपने आप को चार्जेबल रखता हूँ। और इसलिए एक लाइन में कहूँगा, माई डिसेबिलिटी इज़ माई एबिलिटी। और मेरी डिसेबिलिटी को मैंने अपनी एबिलिटी बना के अपनी ताकत बनाई। जी हाँ, कहते हैं ना, समझा गए उपदेश में हरिश्चंद्र कृष्ण राम, दौलत कभी रहती नहीं, रहता है सिर्फ नाम। तो जैसे जैसे मेरा पहले मैंने टेनिस बॉल से क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया, उसके बाद सॉफ्ट लेदर और बाद में लेदर। तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था कि इस बॉल से मैं खेलूँगा नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे ना एक हाथ है और मुझे उस क्रिकेट को अपने अंदर साकार करना है, जो कि आप सभी लोग जानते ही हो कि क्रिकेट एक चैलेंजेबल गेम है, और उसको उस प्रकार से अगर अर्जित करना है तो वो उसके लिए फुल डेडिकेशन चाहिए। और जिसके पास डेडिकेशन है और विल पावर है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, जुनून है, वो दुनिया की कोई ताकत ऐसी नहीं कि आपको उसको रोक सके।
Evening, respected Tulika ma'am, the director of DPS Mian and Kamti Road, Sarka ma'am, and the leader of DPS Mian, Nidhi Yadav principal, our great guest of honor and visionary and a great source of inspiration, Guru. I think really is a guru of cricket, and you have just listened to him. What is impossible, he made it as a possible. All the faculty members, invited guests, proud parents, and my dear young minds, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely happy to be a part of this annual day 2024 of DPS Mihan. And it is extremely happy to know that Game Changer, the title given here, really a DPS, it is not only brand of India, but it is a global brand. Game Changer in Nagpur, all of you know Nagpur is a center point of India, heart of India, orange city, tiger city, and today Nagpur is also known for net zero center point of India in this today's world of sustainable development and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So Nagpur is going to play a very, very important role in coming years as a part of Sustainable Development Goals, as a net zero center point of India. And DPS Mihan, located in such a location, it is really changed the shape of Vidarbha and shape of Nagpur. This part of Nagpur, if you see few years back, nothing was here. Only identical point here was DPS Mian, and today, if you see last 4-5 years, it has changed the shape, and for this game changing this part of Nagpur, DPS Mian has played a very significant role.
Bidari, an accomplished IAS officer, currently serving as the Divisional Commissioner of Nagpur, Government of Maharashtra, in our midst today. Before taking up the charge as the Divisional Commissioner of Nagpur, served as Controller at UR Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, an achiever par excellence. She topped the Civil Services Examination in 2000 and was inducted into Indian Administrative Service in 2001. Apart from being a Shivning Gurukul scholar at the prestigious London School of Economics and Political Science, she is a distinguished Humphrey Fellow for Leadership and is also a Fulbright scholar. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing us today. We are extremely privileged to felicitate ma'am on this occasion. As a dynamic civil servant and for her contribution to public service, Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Bidari has been awarded the Karnataka Rajyotsav Prashasti, a civilian honor by the government of Karnataka